Kia ora i te whānau o Pukero o Ruawhata. Nau mai haere mai ki tēnei wiki o Pukero Pāwaho. Your weekly news brought to you by the Prefect team.
We've got lots of highlights to share from last week, so let's get started.
Firstly, Pukaki 17 had a tasty challenge, a competition to find out who can make the best sandwich.
There was some serious creativity and plenty of delicious ideas. We've got the full footage for you to enjoy.
Here it is, presenting Pukaki 17 sandwich making competition.
Okay, so today we have Pukaki 17. What are you guys doing?
We're doing a cooking competition. The winner gets to sell their sandwiches to the school and keeps the profit. What is the whole purpose of this cooking competition?
So the main purpose was to create like business ideas for the kids. So next week, during our school lunchtime, the winning team is going to sell their winning sandwich to the rest of the school in hopes to raise money for them for their own business and later on in the future. So the whole purpose is to create a bit of creativity, teamwork, and a lot of business entrepreneurship. Well, judging by the amount of things I've seen so far, I think it's going to be a tricky job. But I know one group is like 2 litres short of pickle juice. There's a bit of a slight incident in class with the pickle juice. Rama was trying to eat up all the pickle juice, but Ali wouldn't let her. Big mess. But it's going to be a hard job. I hope Matua Max is feeling the heat as well. It's going to be a tough job to judge.
What are you guys cooking?
We are making chipotle slider buns.
How is yours going today, Ali?
It's going pretty good, yeah, really good.
That smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera right now. I just got oil tipped on me, guys.
Wow, that actually didn't hurt.
Woo! What are you making for the cooking competition?
A bacon and egg sandwich.
What is your guys' group name?
The nonchalant dreadheads.
Amazing, okay. And do you guys think yours is gonna be delicious?
Yes.
That actually looks really yum. Okay, good luck, guys.
I wonder if they heard that crunch.
Is it good, Izzy?
Seems like it was good, guys.
Hi, Leia. Do you know how to cut up an avocado?
How is your guys' group going?
It's good.
Good.
We cooked a steak. We didn't mess up.
Have you guys almost finished?
Yeah, we're close.
Do you guys think you have a chance of winning this competition?
Yes, but I don't want to.
Okay.
Yes, but I want to.
Okay.
I saw those things.
There's less than 10 minutes left.
What?
Yeah. Guys, the pressure is on, okay?
Okay,
Who am I here with today?
DJ.
Angel.
Okay, what are you guys doing here today?
Making sandwiches.
Yeah, make sandwiches for a cooking competition.
What is your guys' group name?
The Master Chefs.
Yeah, Master Chef for the win, guys! Okay. Are you guys almost finished your sandwich?
No, we're not even
Okay, well,
This is our ribs, guys.
touches?
Need one more bit.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck!
I'm William.
Okay, what are you guys making?
Bacon and egg sandwich.
Okay. How did you set it on fire?
I didn't. That was Aaron.
How did William set it on fire?
Cooking the egg. William, how does it feel that you almost burned down the school?
Didn't they? It was just on fire.
What do you call it? What's the name of it?
Bacon and egg with avocado.
Wow, true to the name. It is there.
True to the name.
Very literal.
Next one. Who's this burger?
Good toasting.
Introduce your burger. This is the one.
Pork riblet. It has pork riblet, lettuce, cheese, onion. Yeah. Oh, and barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Oh, you ruined it! This is the Barton burger. It's from my friends because they have a humongous crush on Malachi Barton. It got chicken. We cooked it ourselves, you know. Yeah. And it got Raising Cane's homemade Raising Cane sauce on that. And it's like marinated with like these sauces that we mixed up. Yeah.
That is good sauce.
Yeah. Raising Cane sauce right there.
Oh, better knife. Look at
Bird, probably a bit enough in the big one.
that. Sauce very good.
Yeah.
Like the chicken. It doesn't taste like salmonella, which is great. That's good stuff.
Oh no!
Oh yeah, this is called the greasy bull which.
Whoa, what the hell?
And I put extra barbecue sauce. So, and I hope you guys
And they
like
did
it.
that without
I
looking.
did like it. It was good.
And it's really, we had the best presentation. Look at what it looks like.
Bread was a little too crispy. A little too crispy on the bread.
What's your name and what are you making today? Hi, I'm Amelia and we're making dumplings. Why are you making dumplings? To celebrate the Chinese language. And how many did you make? 100 of them. Wow.
Good. Karawi. Well done to everyone who took part. Those sandwiches looked awesome. And well done to the steak sandwich team who had the best sandwich.
Meanwhile, in Pukaki 18, Tamariki joined Fire Young to make dumpling as part of Chinese Language Week.
It was such a fun way to experience Chinese culture together. And of course, the dumplings looked awesome. Xi Lao Shu Yang.
Did you know, last Friday, Pukero Oruawhata hosted the MarineBots Competition right here at Kura.
Our students built, programmed, and raced MarineBots. It was an incredible showcase of teamwork, innovation, and problem solving.
We've put together a trailer to give you the taste of action.
Here it is.
Some stuff, but you know, that was only the highlights.
You can check out the full MarineBots video right here on our YouTube channel. And don't forget, the link is in the description below.
And before we wrap it all up, a quick special mention. The Manu Korero performances from the week before last week are now live on our YouTube channel.
Our speakers were amazing, so go check out the full footage if you haven't already. It's another great celebration of talent here at Pukero Oruawhata.
That's all from us this week on Pukero Pauho. But don't miss next week's episode. Our Year 5 and 6 classes will be heading out to the snow and we'll bring you all the highlights from their adventure. Plus, we've got a special interview lined up with some of the top sportsmen from Rotorua Boys High School. You don't want to miss that out.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel so our kura and whānau can stay connected.
Kia pai tō wiki. See you next time!